Okay guys, we got some prawns on the board and we're gonna go on the clock. If you don't make this next meal, you'll be at a loss. Up next is my shrimp stir fry with hoisin sauce. Woo! Keep it paleo. Okay, reset. Here we go. We're going on the clock. 10 minutes or less. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Hot pan. Little olive oil. Got some veggies here. I'm gonna start off with onion and a carrot. I'm kind of starting with the densest veggies first because they're gonna take the longest to cook, right? Giving it the Asian bias cut. Let's get these in. Next, densest, let's get the broccoli in there. All right, here we go. Let's give it a little toss-a-roo. And then a little bit of water to help it. Boom. Okay, now yellow squash. Boom. Zucchini. So we're working this squash here. I'm just fleshing out the center. It'll release a lot of water, so it'll help keep this thing hopefully crispy, crunchy, just like you think a stir fry might be. Same thing, Asian bias cut. In. Little pinch of salt, and then mushrooms. Those babies in there. Tad more water. Red bell pepper. Same thing, maybe only half of it. We'll just use half of that guy, okay? Okay, now our shrimp. I'm gonna pull this whiteboard up. Just keep things sanitary. Shrimp are nice and dry. There's 6 of them. There's 16, they're U16s, U15s I think. So they're pretty big. I'm gonna give it here, kind of butterfly them or cut them on the belly or down the center. This will give us a little more spread and they'll also cook quickly. All right, and there's 2 kinds of cooking, right? We got the mise en place where we'll have like all of our stuff prepped out and chopped and ready to cook. And then there's other times where we're just gonna throw it together, chop it as we're cooking. Make sense? And I'm gonna push this stuff to the side. Make a little room here. Pinch of salt on our shrimp. Shrimp are coming along. We're gonna fold it all together. Then we'll work a little garnish. And nothing says Asian like some Asian bias cut scallions, right? I'm gonna go on a super sharp angle. Nice and thin. And then we'll bring in our hoisin. This stuff we learned how to make last week, right? Remember that video? Quick, easy, super tasty. Let's go 1, 2. Tad bit of water to thin that out. Bring in our plate. Boom, phone, stop. 8 minutes and 30 seconds, 0.75. So good. I gotta wrap this up quick so I can eat it. So give that one a shot, you guys. Super simple. Switch out the protein, switch up the veggies however you want. Just keep it quick, keep it easy, and by all means, keep it paleo.